24 bits, you do everything, and then you burn it to DVD and show it, and then it's true 24-bit audio, which is higher quality.
就是你在录声音的时候啊，如果用24bit 去录，然后那个在剪的时候也是选择24bit 的那个档案格式，然后 bounce 出来的那个格式也是24bit， 然后这样子，你再烧在那个 DVD 上面的那个声音的音质就是也是24bit， 就是一个高音质的那个声音档这样子。这个就是直接可以在那个电脑上播放，就不用在 Pro Tools 上面播放了。
Here's why I really like Pro Tools or FooBar. You can have different meters in Pro Tools, just like you have different meters for playback, just like in Pro Tools, and you even have an EQ spectrum, where you can see the frequencies of audio.
就是老师很喜欢FooBar的一点，就是你可以看到各种的量表在那个FooBar的上面，就是你可以去选择他们的那个视窗出来，就是你可以选择就是有那个频率的视窗，然后还有它音量大小的视窗等等之类的。
So if I double click on it.
然后老师现在就播放那个。
I love it. Hey, you should take a picture. Okay. Hey, watch out, an alligator.
Ah, wrong teacher.
Oh no, a rattlesnake.
No type of picture. Wrong.
Let's watch one more time.
我们再看一次哦。
Hi, teacher. Look at the beautiful rain. I love it. Hey, you should take a picture. Okay. Hey, watch out, an alligator.
Ah, wrong teacher.
Oh no, a rattlesnake.
No type of picture. Wrong.
Hey, now, this is showing me my frequencies. 50 hertz all the way up to 20,000 hertz, and how loud each frequency is. Notice that there's hundreds of frequencies. You know, it's a full range. Okay? There's a lot of sounds. There's river, there's frogs, there's an alligator, there's a lot of sounds. So there's a wide range of frequencies. It's not munda, it's not too high, it's very even.
就是他那个老师给大家看的这个视窗是那个频率，它下面的那个地方是频率的那个数值，然后它那个横轴是那个频率的数值，那垂直轴的话是它音量的大小，就是显示每一个频率它的那个音量是多大声。然后就是老师很喜欢这个原因，就是因为你就可以看到说它那个频率是频率是平均分配的，不是太高频率或者是太偏低频的部分。
Let's watch one more time.
Hi, teacher. Look at the beautiful rain. I love it. Hey, you should take a picture. Okay. Hey, watch out, an alligator.
Ah, wrong teacher.
Oh no, a rattlesnake.
No type of picture. Wrong.
This meter tells me my peak. So if I hit over 0, that's bad. This meter tells me my average power, like an average of the power, not the millisecond by millisecond peak, just the average of the sound over like a half a second.
然后下面那个是指那个就是 peak 的那个声音，就是你总就是全部的声音有没有就是超过那个零的那个值，就是0 dB 的那个值，然后上面的是那个整个平均的那个就是那个音量的值，就是也是看你有没有超过那个，检视你有没有到达0 dB 的那个值。
So watch here one more time. We'll make sure my project has no clipping. Okay.
然后就是我们再确认一次我们的那个作品没有那个爆音的出现。
Hi, teacher. Look at the beautiful rain. I love it. Hey, you should take a picture. Okay. Hey, watch out, an alligator.
Ah, wrong teacher.
Oh no, a rattlesnake.
No type of picture. Wrong.
Now, almost looks like clipping, right? Almost, but we cannot hear any distortion, so we're fine.
就是几乎要到爆音的情况，但是我们没有听到任何的爆音的出现，所以这是一个 OK 的作品。就是那个 DVD 的那个音质可以最高就是到达24 bit， 然后那个 CD 的话就是16 bit， 然后 MP3 的话它就是一个很低品质、很低音质的一个档案格式，所以就是老师说，如果你们用那种比较好的耳机或是比较好的喇叭，你就可以听得出来这3种的差别，就可以听得出来这3种的音质的上面的差别。
We tried to teach you basically everything that the students learn in one semester, in one class. That's pretty difficult.
老师就是尽可能在一堂课，就是1天的课程，就是教你们整个学期会学到的东西。那你们就是有没有其他什么问题？